United States big crackdown on birth tourism. US tightens its travel policy for foreigners, married or pregnant women applying for visas. President Donald Trump signed an order to end birthright citizenship, which grants citizenship to those born on American soil.
We can now promptly file to proceed with numerous policies that have been wrongly enjoined on a nationwide basis. And some of the cases we're talking about would be ending birthright citizenship, which now comes to the fore. That was meant for the babies of slaves. It wasn't meant for people trying to scam the system and come into the country on a vacation. This was, in fact, it was the same date, the exact same date, the end of the Civil War. It was meant for the babies of slaves, and it's so clean and so obvious. But this lets us go there and finally win that case, because hundreds of thousands of people are pouring into our country under birthright citizenship, and it wasn't meant for that reason.
The US Embassy in India has issued a clear warning. Tourist visas will be denied if officers believe the primary purpose of travel is to give birth in the US to secure citizenship for the child. Birth tourism refers to foreign nationals flying to the US close to their due date so their child gets automatic American citizenship under the 14th Amendment. The US Constitution says that anyone born on American soil is a US citizen, regardless of the immigration status of the parents. These children are derogatorily called anchor babies, meaning their immigrant parents use them to get a foothold in the US and eventually become citizens themselves. According to the Center for Immigration Studies, CIS, an estimated 36,000 foreign-born women gave birth in the US in 2012 and then left the country. US CDC data reported that about 10,000 babies were born to foreign residents in 2017, up from 7,800 in 2007. CIS also estimates that around 33,000 babies were born to women who entered the US on temporary tourist visas between 2016 and 2017. However, applicants can enhance their chances of getting a US tourist visa by clearly documenting their travel plans and non-immigrant intent.